Found this on the internet for 200 bucks. 200 bucks. It is a Husqvarna residential Z4819. Comes with a Briggs & Stratton Intech 20 horse engine, and it surges and runs, but it's a little bit beat up and dirty. We got to figure out what's going on. When we turn the key, we hear things clicking, but nothing happens. So is it that? Or is the battery dead? Let's find out. DC voltage, we see 12.62, and I try to turn it over and nothing's going on. Seat has already been jumped. Not by me, by the previous owner. The clutch engage. Plot thickens. So I'm gonna turn my key on into the run position and try the old jump the starter solenoid trick here and see what happens. See if we get any chug. Yes, we get chug. So that means I've got a safety switch somewhere in here. Let's dig in. There's always one thing you forget to check. When we flip this up, it's a parking brake. So let's engage that and let's give it a shot. Thing of beauty. Now I do have a gas shut off there as well. So I gotta turn that on. This way we'll stop it, but this way, lets it flow. Are we for real right now? What? You serious? I mean, it even came with a bagger. A day's work. It does sound a little ticky, so we're gonna have to go through this process here of taking this bracket off so we can get to the valves and adjust those. Just to adjust the valve lash, not a massive deal. We're gonna give it an oil change as well, change the seat. The PTO switch does need to be replaced. Shoot, this might be easy. There it is. So what we're gonna do is take this model number to the internet and see what we can find. Let's take the manufacturer in that model number, put it into Google, and there's a ton of different options. You gotta pay attention. Do you have a 5-blade, a 7-blade, 6-blade, 8-blade? It all depends on what you have currently on your model. In my case, it's an 8-blade. And I found it on Amazon. This first one does not have next day shipping with Prime. The next one does. That's the one I'm gonna get. That's where I leave you for today. Thank you for being here. Thanks for watching, and like, follow, subscribe. Every comment that you guys make, I reply to.